Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Please don't forget to like my videos, subscribe to my channel and click on the notification bell so you will get notified as soon as I upload a new video. In my today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a low carb cauliflower pizza crust. For this we need 200 grams of cauliflower, my cauliflowers were not pre-washed, so I'm gonna wash them now. Then I'm going to make cauliflower rice. When you make cauliflower rice, be careful you don't blend it too much. I'm just pulsing it so it breaks down the cauliflower into small pieces, but it doesn't make it a paste. Now you can see my cauliflower rice is ready. So I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon of salt into it. Now I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of water and cook this to 2 to 3 minutes in low heat. Here we are not going to completely cook the cauliflower, we just want to make it a bit softer. After 2 to 3 minutes, I took it out of the stove and I let it completely cool down. Now my cauliflower is completely cooled down, so I'm going to squeeze out water as much as possible from this mixture. So for that I'm using a kitchen towel here. I put the cauliflower on the kitchen towel and then I squeeze it as much as possible. Now you can see the cauliflower looks dry because we squeezed out water as much as possible. Now I'm going to add 50 grams of shredded mozzarella cheese, 15 grams of almond flour and 10 grams of psyllium husk. At this stage, if you want, you can also add some pizza spices to this dough. Now I'm going to heat up this mixture around 1 minute on very low heat just to make sure the mozzarella cheese is softened. Now I transfer this mixture to a bowl and I'm going to mix it well with the hand and make a dough ball. Now I put a parchment paper on a baking tray and I'm going to spread the dough ball into a round shaped pizza crust. So before we add pizza toppings, this crust has to be baked at 180 degrees for 15 minutes. This is how it looks after baking for 15 minutes at 180 degrees. So now I'm going to add 100% pure tomato paste. Make sure your tomato paste does not contain added sugar. Now the tomato paste is nicely smeared on top of the crust, so I'm going to add a little bit more mozzarella cheese. Now if you like a spicy pizza, you can add your preferred spices on top. Here I am adding garlic and some pepper. Now you can add your favorite keto-friendly pizza toppings. For this pizza I am going to add 3 slices of salami and 2 sliced cherry tomatoes. Now I have finished adding my pizza topping and I'm going to bake this at 180 Celsius for another 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, a delicious low-carb pizza is ready. If you can let it cool down for another 10-15 minutes, the crust will be even nicer. Thank you very much for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please don't forget to like my videos, subscribe to my channel and click on the notification bell.